I am going to explain you metric system of measurement. There are three types of measurement. One is length measurement, second is weight measurement, and third is capacity measurement. Different types of measurement is there. So it is very easy. It is interesting also. So I am going to explain these three units together. So let's start. Now see here, you have to learn only this first line. Metric system unit is kilo, hecto, deca, basic. Basic means if there is length, it will be meter. If there is weight, it will be gram. If there is capacity, it will be liter. And here decis, centi, milli. If you know this line, you have to learn by heart this the unit kilo, hecto, deca, basic, gram, meter or liter, decis, centi, milli. So then without saying the table, this line only saying, you can write the tables yourself. That means like 1 times 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh crore, or 10 times 1 into 10, 10, 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000, 1000 into 10, 10,000, same way. Same way this is also going on 10 times. That means here 10 millimeter 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter 1 meter, 10 meter 1 decameter, 10 decameter 1 hectometer, 10 hectometer 1 kilometer. That's all. Till kilometer is the highest unit. And same way mass. Mass means weight. When you potato, when you go to the market, then if you weigh 1 kg potato, that times 1 measurement unit you have seen. Kg 1 little big, like this little big. Then 500 is 1 kg. Then little small. This is 500. This half 500 gram. Then there are small unit also is there. 250 gram, 10 gram, like that also have. It is called mass weight measurement unit. Then here, same way, this same line I am using in both, three of these. Length, weight, capacity. Length I finished, and then weight. Weight also same. Here unit will come gram. 10 milligram 1 centigram, 10 centigram 1 decigram, 10 decigram 1 gram, 10 gram 1 decagram, 10 decagram 1 hectogram, 10 hectogram 1 kilogram. Same way liter. Liter means it is the capacity measurement. So capacity liquid things. You need a container. Liquid things were milk, petrol. This measurement cannot measure by the weight that unit. Or meter unit cannot measure. It needs a container. So container, when there are liquid things poured, no, that means the capacity. One container, suppose it is big container. Then here in milkman, they are when coming to give you milk at home, they are one big container, they are bringing milk. And from there, if you need 1 liter, then 1 liter container poured inside and taking out the milk and giving you. That's the way. So it is called a 1 liter container, supposed to be 1 liter container. This handling, then taking the milk and serving. And then it is half liter container. Half liter small. This is half liter container. Half. Then 250 liter container also have like that. It is called capacity. That means one container, how much capacity, how much milk contain. That is called capacity. That container capacity. It is called capacity. It is unit is liter. Capacity measured with liter, length measured with meter, weight measured with gram. This is the main basic. Length measured with meter, weight or mass measured with gram, and liquid things capacity is measured with liter. So on this line I will write the 3 tables. Then it starts from here. It is the lowest and it is the highest. So multiply, it is 10 millimeter, 1 centimeter. 10 centimeter, 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter, 1 meter. 10 meter, 1 decameter. All 10 times. 10 decameter, 1 hectometer. 10 hectometer, 1 kilometer. This is the table. So you have to learn only this first line only. Then with the help of this first line, you can write the measurement of length and measures of mass and measures of capacity. 3 tables you can write. So how to write, you see here you write 10. I will write in short form because writing both 3 tables together. So full spelling I don't write, and I will write in short form. Milli using meter table, measures of length. So millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 mm, millimeter short form mm, equal 10 millimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 cm. Then 10 centimeter, 1 decimeter, 10 cm equal 1 decimeter, dm, and 10 decimeter, 1 meter. 10 decimeter equal 1 meter. Then 1 meter. 10 decimeter, 1 meter. Then 10 meter, 1 decameter. 10 meter equal 1 decameter. Then 10 decameter, 1 hectometer. 10 decameter, decameter and decimeter short form, decimeter dm, decameter dam. 10 decameter equal 1 hectometer. 1 hectometer short form hm. Then 10 hectometer equal 1 kilometer. 10 hm hectometer equal 1 kilometer. This is measurement of length. 10 millimeter, 1 centimeter, 10 millimeter, 1 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter, 1 meter, 10 meter, 1 decameter, 10 decameter, 1 hectometer, 10 hectometer, 1 kilometer. Then here next measures of mass, weight. Same using 10 only, 10 in place of meter I will write only gram, G. Gram short form is G. 10 milligram, 10 milligram means mg. Basic is G. Here is G. Here is L. Here is M. So 10 mg, milligram, 1 cg, centigram. 10 milligram, 1 centigram. 10 centigram, 1 dg, decigram. 10 centigram, 1 decigram. 10 decigram, 1 gram, 1 g. Then 10 g, 10 gram, 10 gram, 1 decagram, DAG. Then 10 decagram, 10 DAG, 1 hectogram, HG. Then 10 hectogram, 1 kilogram. 10 Hg equal 1 kg. Then measures of capacity. Same here, in place of G I will write L, liter. Same line. Only you have to learn by heart this line. This how to learn by heart? Kilo, hecto, decameter, deci, centimilli. This is the short form. So Next I will write capacity. Capacity unit is, basic unit is liter, L. So same only here milliliter, ml. 10 ml. 10 milliliter equal 1 centiliter, CL. 10 centiliter, 10 CL equal 1 DL, deciliter. 10 deciliter equal 1 liter. 10 deciliter, 1 liter. 10 liter equal 1 decaliter, DAL. 10 decaliter equal 10 decaliter equal 1 hectoliter. 1 hectoliter, HL. 10 hectoliter equal 1 kiloliter, KL. So everywhere how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines you have to learn by heart. Only from it is written without looking. Only this line only you have to learn by heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 10 hectoliter, 1 kiloliter. That is 1 is finished here. So it is 7 tons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we start from here. 10 milliliter, 1 centiliter, 10 centiliter, 1 deciliter, 10 deciliter, 1 liter, 10 liter, 1 decaliter, 10 decaliter, 1 hectoliter, 10 hectoliter, 1 kiloliter. So this is the table. So using this table, and this table using when you convert to lower unit to higher unit and higher unit to lower unit. Supposed to be weight measurement kg and this one kg to this one measurement 1 kg convert to gram. You remember this when convert to bigger unit to lower unit. Every convert bigger to lower you have to multiply, lower to bigger you have to divide. Every convert. Rupees to pies, meter to centimeter, liter to kiloliter, gram to kilogram, everywhere same method. Bigger to smaller, multiply, smaller to bigger, divide. So now I will show you convert. This is the table you have to learn by heart. Next I will give you convert. These sums I will explain in both ways. Which is comfortable, you follow this. It is long method, it is short method. So both the way I am explaining, your small children, which one you feel comfortable, you can use that method. Now see, convert into meters. Here first is kilometer. So greater unit, when convert to greater unit to smaller unit. Convert to kilometer to meter. That means kilometer is the bigger unit and meter is smaller unit. You have to do multiply. Greater to smaller, multiply. And smaller to greater, divide. Every convert, same thing, you remember it. Greater unit to smaller unit, multiply. Smaller to greater, divide. So here question is convert into meter. That means all the terms I have to convert into meter. So here on this table, this is the basic table. So convert into meter table I have to learn by heart. So on this line only you can find out how many meter is 1 kilometer. So how many meter, all convert into meter. So how many meters in 1 kilometer. So meter here. From meter you start to put 0. 0, 0, 0, 1. So 1000 meter equal 1 kilometer. From the table you will get, this line only you will get 1000 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. It is bigger unit and to convert to meter 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. So This one multiply by 6 into 1000 plus 8 hectometer you convert to meter. So hectometer here. Here how many is 1 hectometer equal how many meter? Meters you start meter, hectometer. So 100, 1 hectometer equal 100 meter. From the table only, this line only you will get. So this one 8 into 100. It will be meter. All converting to meter. Unit will be meter. So last only you can write the answer only you can write the meter. So plus decameter. Now decameter is here. 0, 0, 1. So 10 decameter. 10 meter equal 1 decameter. 1 decameter. Decameter is bigger equal 10 meter. So bigger to smaller 10 multiply. So 8 into 10. And 2 meter is already so plus 2. Then it will be 6 into 1000, 6000 plus 800 plus 80 plus 2. So plus you do 6000 plus 800 plus 80 plus 2. Then it will come 2886. Smaller unit. So it will be answer is 6882 meter. This is the answer. So much calculation is here. And this one in short I will do this method. So this is also same. The same marks you will get. If you do this way and this way, marks will get same marks. No change. Because of in maths so many methods is there. Which one is comfortable you can follow. Full marks you will get. So this is it takes too much time. So in that question paper you will get so many sums. So you always I think which one you can do in consume less time. So better to use this method. So convert into meter. So kilometer is here 6 kilometer, 8 hectometer, 8 decameter, then 2 meter. So all the column is filled. If there is some column is missing, then you can write the 0. The direct answer will come 6882 meter. In 1 second only you can do this. So this much long calculation no need to do. Direct write the table correctly. This one should be correct. If any terms is missing, then you will not get the answer. So always like table, multiplication table, you have to learn by heart this table. It has from bigger to smaller you learn by heart. Kilo, hecto, decameter, deci, centimeter. Gram weight इसमें kilogram. kg, kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Liter, kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. So this is the easy way to convert. It takes more time, it takes less time. Which one is comfortable, you can follow it. Now it is the bigger unit to smaller unit. Here multiply. Now I am going to show you smaller unit to bigger unit. Convert smaller unit to bigger unit. That time you have to do divide. Now see another example. Convert into smaller unit to bigger unit. 9645 millimeter. Convert into bigger unit. That means convert into millimeter to centimeter, centimeter to decimeter, decimeter to meter. Convert into bigger unit. So one long method I am showing that first millimeter, first 10 centimeter is there. So 10 millimeter, 1 centimeter. So you have to do first divide 9, 6, 4, 5 millimeter. Divide by 10. Then it will be 10 9 ja 90, 6 remainder, bring down 4, 6 10 ja 60, then and 4, bring down 5, then 4 10 ja 40, remainder 5. Then remainder is millimeter. It is millimeter, no? Remainder is millimeter. So this one writing this way. Nine, 6, 4, 5. Divide doing here 10. So 10 millimeter, 1 centimeter. 10 answer is 964. 9, 6, 4. It convert to centimeter. This is the 10 millimeter, 1 centimeter. It is centimeter and remainder is 5 millimeter. Millimeter. Remainder is 5 millimeter. M. Then again centimeter to decimeter you have to divide. So here 964 divide by again 10. 9 10 ja 90, remainder 6, bring down 4, it is centimeter, then 6 times 60, then remainder 4. It is centimeter. Remainder always from this centimeter is remaining. So 4 centimeter. And it convert to decimeter. It will be decimeter. DM. So here you can divide by 10. Here 96 decimeter and remainder 4 centimeter. Then again 96 convert to higher unit, 10 times decimeter to meter. 96 divided by 96 is decimeter, DM. 10 9 ja 90, 6 remainder. So it is DM and it will come meter. So answer will be here 10 divide 9 meter. Here remainder is 6 DM. So answer you have to write from here. 9 meter, 6 decimeter, 4 centimeter. Here millimeter, remainder is 5 millimeter. The remainder is 5 millimeter. So answer is 9 meter, 6 decimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 millimeter. Answer 9 meter, bigger to higher unit, convert to higher unit, divide 9 meter, 6 decimeter, 6 decimeter, 9 meter, 6 decimeter, 4 centimeter, and 5 millimeter. So much calculation is here. So this one I will do in short on that table. So convert into bigger unit, divide by 10 times. So it is given where 9645 millimeter. So I will start from writing millimeter. So I will write here millimeter 5. Millimeter is the last unit. This whole number is in millimeter. 9645 millimeter. And every unit is 10 times. So like 1 times 100,000, I put the value number only in this data. It is the unit of measurement. So I will just start from the unit place, that means millimeter place, and I'll put serially 5, 4, 6, 9. So I'm placing here serially because they are given 9645. If it is 9605, then here will be the 0. So according 0 only I will put it here. So it is very easy to write the name now. 9 meter, answer will be 9 meter, 6 decimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 millimeter. So it is too much less time consuming. You see, answer, check it. 9 meter, 6 decimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 millimeter. So once I am in both the way I am explaining, which is easy and you can follow, you accept it and do it properly. That's all. Thank you.